Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.033, down 1.5 on the day, seeing a market cap of 230 million. 24-hour volume 93.16 billion. Sign up to BitGet. They recently partnered with Lionel Messi, one of the biggest football soccer players in the world. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So looks like our C wave has played out. So we've come down in a wave 1, wave 2. This was your wave 3. We had a wave 4 pullback and your final wave 5. Now to confirm this, we need to start making a 5-way move to the upside. If we do come up and break 0.34, could give you more confirmation that you will start to see that push. We do have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We're creating lower lows, creating a higher low, signifying that the bears may be running out of strength. Now just be very, very cautious, because what we can potentially see is a retest of this falling wedge pattern. If we were to bounce, retest, and see continuation to the downside, definitely possible. As I mentioned here, if we were to break down, you can take a measurement of the falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, but currently we have broken down, but we can see a fake out to the downside. That will take you down to about 0.017. Now, if we look at Gala here on coin market cap, you can see where we had a little bit, it looks like there was support around 0.018 to about 0.02. And that's really where I'm seeing a little bit of support here on this chart. So if we were to come down to that level, we should find support around 0.018 to 0.02. And I would definitely continue to load the bags. However, if we do throw back up into this pattern, and then we can push all the way up to the top of the pattern at about 0.050. So just watch for that. If you do see Gala, see some volume step in, starts to break up into this pattern, then it's just a fake out to the downside. All depends on Bitcoin. Do we break out or do we break down? Once we do have confirmation of that breakout, that will give us a more clear understanding of which way Gala is going to go. But for our ending diagonal, in my opinion, you can definitely count the 5 waves down as complete. So if we do see a push to the upside, then potentially you finish your wave 5 and could see a large breakout. But if we do just continue to break down, as I mentioned before, I wouldn't be looking at an ending diagonal. What I'd look at is a 1 into a 2, and then we're coming down in a 3, 4, 5. So we'll have to see how it plays out. As you can see here with the daily EMAs, we're continually getting rejected off the 20, but we are starting to break away from the EMAs, so we may see a bounce to retest the 20 once again. Until we can get back above the EMAs, just as we did, well, we had a fake out right here. We had a little bit of a fake out right here as well, even here. So every time Gala has tried to get back above the EMAs in this bear market, it has failed. So what you want to see is Gala starts to break above the 20, the 55, and you have the bullish cross of the EMAs. Gala holds it as support, and then you see a massive breakout to the upside and potentially a bottom being in for Gala Games. But until you can get back above those EMAs on the daily, you have to remain bearish. And we have started to break down out of this falling wedge. So if Bitcoin does end up shitting the bed here, that's when you see Gala continue to break down. And in my opinion, will offer an incredible opportunity to continue to dollar cost average into Gala if you wish to. One of my favorite metaverse projects, what they're doing in the music industry is absolutely incredible, which is completely outside of gaming. You should definitely look into that. And I will definitely continue to share news and analysis on Gala going forward. So if you like that, smash the like button, make sure to subscribe and sign up to BitGet. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email. You have free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the $10 membership. Early access to my analysis, as well as my trade signals. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.